body, soul, and spirit for your glory. Lord, I need your grace every night and day. From glory to glory, all the way.
What's up, guys? It's Hope here from Audacity Audio Pro, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I achieved this choir chorus effect right here in Audacity. Now, the first thing I need you to know is that you are going to have to record a lot of tracks, a lot of vocal tracks to achieve this result. There are so many tracks I already recorded here for the same chorus. And although there is a trick that some people use, they record only one vocal and then they duplicate that vocal a number of times and then change the pitch on each of those duplicated tracks. But I'm not going to do that. I've already recorded a lot of vocals, as you can see. Okay, so we're going to listen to the track now without the other tracks, just the main track, the main vocal.
You are the porter and I'm the clay. Take my body, soul, and spirit for your glory. Lord, I need your grace every night and day. From glory to glory, all the way.
Alright, so that's what we're going to be working on. We want to make this choir chorus effect on these vocals. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, we are going to apply echo to all the tracks. Okay, I've selected all the tracks. We're going to apply a little echo. Now you may want to check out my echo settings. Delay time 0.1 seconds and decay factor 0.1 seconds. Just a little. We don't want it to be too much because we are going to also add reverb. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Alright, echo is added to it. Let's go ahead and listen to it.
You are the porter and I'm the clay. Take my body, soul, and spirit for your glory.
Alright, okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add reverb to all the tracks. Okay, I've selected all the tracks. I'm going to add the reverb now. If you don't know how to do reverb or you want to get my reverb settings, you can watch my tutorial on this channel on how to use echo and reverb. It's right here on this channel. My reverb settings are all there.
You are the porter and I'm the clay.
So you can hear it now. It's beginning to sound more like a choir.
You are the porter and I'm the clay.
Okay, I'm going to add a reverb one more time. One more time. Okay, that's good. And then the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to now start panning. Okay, so we're going to start with this very first track right here. I'm going to pan this. Okay, so this is my main track. I'm not going to touch that. Now the next track, I'm going to pan 90%. I'm going to pan 90% to the left. For the next one, I'm going to pan 90% to the right. For the next track, I'm going to pan it 80% to the left. 80% to the left. And then for the next one, I'm going to pan 80% to the right. Now for the next one, which is the main alto, I'm not going to pan that. Then for the alto 2, I'm going to pan 80% or 90% to the left. Then for the next track, I'm going to pan 90% to the right. Okay. Now the next track, I'm going to pan it 80% to the left and the other 80% to the right. 80% to the right. And then for the main tenor, I'm not going to pan the main tenor. Then for tenor 2, I'm going to pan, say, 70% to the left. And for the last one, I'm going to pan 70% to the right. Now, this is it. If we listen to it now, it's going to have this choir feel. It's going to sound very much like a mass choir. Let's go ahead and listen to it.
You are the porter and I'm the clay. Take my body, soul, and spirit for your glory. Lord, I need your grace every night and day. From glory to glory, all the way.
Okay, so that's it. That's how you achieve this choir chorus effect. First thing you do, you record a lot of vocals, and then the next thing you do, you apply echo to all the vocals. Then you apply reverb, and then you pan some tracks to the left, some tracks to the right, 60%, 70%, 80%, whatever percentage you feel comfortable with. There is no rule here, and that's it, and that's how you achieve this choir chorus effect on your vocals. That's it, guys. Simple and easy. Please, if you had any challenge with any part of the tutorial, do let me know in the comment section. I will reach out to you and see how I can be of more assistance to you. And if you enjoyed the tutorial, please smash the like button so that YouTube knows that the video is good and can show it to more people. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so that YouTube notifies you whenever I upload new video content. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Audacity Audio Pro. Audacity Audio Pro.
Subscribe for more.